A day in Bella's life. Ring, ring. Bella's alarm goes off at 7 a.m. She slowly opens her eyes and reaches for her phone to turn off the alarm. Good morning, world, she says with a yawn. It's a beautiful Monday morning, and she has classes at the university today. Bella sits up in her bed and stretches her arms. I need to get ready for my 9 a.m. class. She thinks to herself. She gets out of bed and makes it neat and tidy. A good start to the day always begins with a well-made bed. In the bathroom, Bella brushes her teeth and washes her face. She looks in the mirror and says, "Today will be a great day." She takes a quick shower and then returns to her room to get dressed. What should I wear today? She wonders, looking through her closet. She chooses a comfortable blue sweater and jeans. After getting dressed, Bella goes to the kitchen to make breakfast. "I'm so hungry," she says. She makes 2 pieces of toast with butter and jam, and a cup of hot coffee. While eating breakfast, she checks her schedule on her phone. Oh, I have 3 classes today, and a study group meeting in the afternoon. At 8:30 a.m., Bella grabs her backpack and puts her laptop, notebooks, and textbooks inside. She doesn't want to be late for her first class. She puts on her shoes, takes her keys, and heads out the door. The weather is nice, so she decides to walk to campus. It only takes about 15 minutes. On her way to class, Bella meets her friend Sarah. "Hi, Sarah. Are you going to Professor Johnson's class too?" she asks.
"Yes, I am,"
Sarah replies. They walk together, talking about their weekend and the homework they completed. During her morning classes, Bella takes careful notes and participates in class discussions. In her literature class, she raises her hand to answer a question about Shakespeare. I think Romeo and Juliet is a story about young love and family conflict, she says. Her professor smiles and nods. At lunchtime, Bella goes to the university cafeteria with her friends. She chooses a healthy salad and a sandwich. While eating, they talk about their upcoming exams and make plans for the weekend. Should we study together on Saturday? Bella suggests. Her friends think it's a great idea. At 5:30 p.m., Bella heads home. On her way, she stops at the grocery store to buy some food for dinner. I need vegetables, eggs, and milk, she says to herself while shopping. She also buys some snacks for her late night studying. Back at home, Bella cooks dinner for herself. She makes a simple but delicious pasta with vegetables. While eating, she calls her mom to talk about her day. Hi, Mom. Yes, my classes were good today. I'm taking care of myself. Don't worry. After dinner, Bella sits at her desk to do her homework. I should finish this before going to bed, she thinks. She works hard for a few hours, taking short breaks to stretch and drink water. At 10:30 p.m., Bella feels tired but satisfied with her productive day. She changes into her comfortable pajamas and gets ready for bed. Before sleeping, she sets her alarm for tomorrow and writes in her diary about her day. Good night, Bella says as she turns off her light at 11 p.m. She thinks about all the things she accomplished today and looks forward to another good day tomorrow. Soon, she falls asleep. With a smile on her face,